How to fix Chick-fil-A app error 422. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to try doing is head over to App Store if you're using iOS device. Once you're in here, search for the application Chick-fil-A and then move into it. Here you can see the option of open, which means that you already have the updated version of the app. But if you see the option of update, then you're not using the updated version, and it might be the reason that you're facing this issue. In this case, tap on update and update the app. Once you've got the updated version, the next thing you want to try doing is move into the settings of a device, head over to general and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, scroll down and search for the application Chick-fil-A. Once you find it, move into it. Now tap on upload app and then once again click on upload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. But if you're still having the issue, then what else you can do is tap on delete app and then once again click on delete. Once the application has been uninstalled, try reinstalling it. Most of the time, reinstalling the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be good to go. That's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.